What's up nail friends? In this video, I'm going to be doing a Harry Potter themed set for my client who went to Disney World and wanted to go to the Harry Potter land. So let's get started. Aparicium. The color I'm starting the set with is Glam and Glitz Colored Acrylic Collection in the color Ruby. So my client actually came in a week earlier and I just didn't have time to do a full Harry Potter set because she had some breakage and stuff. So I actually decided to do a small overlay just to get her through a week because she is a nail biter. And then I got her in a couple days before her trip and I wanted to do a full set. So I have filed off her previous overlay, applied some tips because I actually usually sculpt my sets, but again, I didn't have a lot of time because I am in a salon setting, so I don't just do YouTube videos, I also do clients. So I did try to get her done in a quicker time, so tips were a little bit faster. So I applied the tips, prepped her nails, and now I'm coming in with this color. So I did struggle a lot with this color from Glam and Glitz this day. I don't know if my ratio was off or something, or maybe I just don't like this color, but I was struggling a lot and I found it really hard to work with. So I wouldn't recommend using Ruby as a full color from cuticle to tip. Maybe it would be better to be used in a set as a marble or a glitter fade or something. I just found that it was really liquidy today and it was kind of spilling into the cuticle area, which was bad. You don't want that. So I didn't really like this color that much. But I applied this on the pinky, the pointer finger, and the thumb. And I applied it right at the cuticle area and I tried to work it into place and then drag it down the nail and sort of paint it on. And then I do that at the tip and the sidewalls. And then I just pat this into place to try to make it nice and even. So you can see that old color left behind because when I did the overlay, I didn't apply a clear base because then it would be too thick. So because I'm applying just a dark red on top, you're not really going to see that glitter at all. So it didn't really matter that I didn't remove it all. And yeah, here I'm just coming in with that color again, trying to get it around the cuticle area without it seeping into the cuticle area. And now I'm just dragging it down the nail and cleaning up anything on the side. So I just placed a little bit more at the tip. I'm patting it into place and then I'm going to flip my hand around in a second here and pull it up and kind of drag that color into itself and blend it. I'm using Glam and Glitz Glow Acrylic Collection in the color Afterglow. This is just a basic plain white and it glows in the dark. So I'm using this on 2 of her nails on each hand. And I found this one definitely a lot easier to work with. So you're going to apply it near the cuticle area again. Really try to work it up into that cuticle area and get it nice and even. And then I'm just dragging it and pulling it down the nail. So you're really going to want to clean off your brush before going in with the white after using the red, or else you could stain it and make it kind of pink. Sometimes I'll go in with the lighter color first, like the white, and then do the darker color after, but I don't know why I didn't this time. I just didn't. I don't know. So I'm coming in with another glow acrylic color called Shooting Star. So this is just a glitter. And I'm just kind of sparsely placing this on the nail and just moving it around with some wet acrylic. And then I'm coming in with this laser glitter in Goldenrod from the nail team. And I'm just placing these tiny sequins just wherever I want them. I'm going to be doing a design on top of this. I haven't encapsulated these nails, so this is going to be inside the nail. So I'm just drawing kind of like a magic swirl, and then I'm filling in the swirl with that glitter, and then I'm going to be doing a magic wand on top of this. So again, I'm coming in with those laser glitters and just placing some of these little glitters on that, just to give it a little bit more glitter. So now I'm going to be encapsulating all these nails, and at this time I wasn't using Glam and Glitz yet. So I'm using Elite Beauty Supplies, and I've switched my brush here to a bigger brush to do my encapsulation. So I apply my clear acrylic at the cuticle area, and now I'm just dragging it down the nail, and then I'll create my apex. So then I'm coming in here and just pinching these nails slightly on the sidewalls. Pinching the nails brings the nails in slightly, giving them a bigger C-curve and making them look a little bit more elegant. So I did finish file off camera, and here's what they look like. So now I'm coming in with Ugly Duckling Matte Top Coat, and I'm just applying this all over the white nails. So the reason I didn't do this on the red nails yet because I wasn't sure if I was going to have time to complete my entire design, because I did have a client right after her and I think she had to go to work. So I wanted to just make sure I got these two nails done at least, and then I was going to finish my design on the other nails later. So I also applied this on the thumb because I am doing a lightning bolt on the thumb. So I did cure these nails, and then when they were cured, I went in and wiped off the tacky layer, and now I'm coming in with Gold Metallic Light Elegance Buttercream. These are great for painting, and I'm using my Selena Ryden Signature Series brush set in the swirly, and I'm just painting a lightning bolt. So this is actually really easy to paint. I just copied a picture online of a lightning bolt. So I did the outline first, and then I'm filling it in. The metallic buttercreams are so easy to paint with, so if you do struggle with hand painting, you should get these and give them a try because they're actually really easy to use. To give the design some texture, I'm just sprinkling on that shooting star glitter, the glow-in-the-dark glitter, onto that before curing it, and it will cure it to a matte finish. I'm using my favorite black paint, Magic Gel's Universal Black, and I'm going to be creating a really simple magic wand. So first you're just going to want to do a line. I cured the first line, and then I'm just building up that color on the line. And the reason I keep curing it over and over is so that it doesn't get thicker as I apply more on top. Then after I'm happy with how thick and full that line is, I'm just going in and creating dots, and I'm just copying a picture of one of the wands from the show. And again, I wanted it to have texture, so I'm using Glam and Glitz Blackmail, and I'm going to be sprinkling this on top before curing, and that'll just make it matte again and give it that matte texture. On the middle finger, I'm creating another design from the show, and again, I'm doing it the exact same way with doing the outline first and curing that and building it up on top. And then for this one, I did want to sprinkle that black on top and then give that a cure, and then I went back over some of the outline and repeated that process just to thicken it up a bit. So it turned out I did have the time to do the stripes, so I was really happy because I feel like the stripes really make up the design. So I am using that gold metallic buttercream still from Light Elegance, and I'm just drawing lines across that red nail. So these won't have a sprinkle of glitter on top. I just wanted the lines, and then I'm going to cure them, and then I'm going to cover them with matte top coat. So I gave that a cure, wiped off any tacky layer, and cleansed the nails. And here's the finished design. I hope you guys like this simple Harry Potter design. If I had more time, I definitely would have done something a little bit more extravagant, but of course I didn't. So this is what I was able to do in the time that I had. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and check back for more tutorials. Make sure you're subscribed and click the bell to be notified whenever I post a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.